לכולם, מרחבה ביקום. Hello my dear friends from all over the world. Today we're camping in a mountain up north of Israel, and we brought the kids and we're gonna make some fire here. I'm just gonna give you a few tips while we're here. If you're stuck in the middle of nowhere and you find a piece of metal like this, you can hammer it in the fire, make it warm, hammer it, make yourself a knife, and that's it, you're sorted for survival. So it's not going to be a survival lesson, but it is going to be a few tips here and there, and we're going to make some barbecue on this, and we're going to make some Amazigh bread, which is a Moroccan bread, which is made usually in the Atlas Mountains and the Riff Mountains. And this is a loaf for all my friends also in Lebanon and all over the world who are having trouble with their governments. You can survive in any situation. You can make biodiesel from oil. You can manage to get food from the woods, from the forests, from the desert, from the sea, from everywhere. So don't be depressed and don't think that life is over or something. Everything is okay and you'll survive. Everything will pass just fine. תודה רבה לכולם, אנחנו נמשיך וכל פעם נעדכן אתכם. Me again. We're gonna make some turf chai or tea. This is survival one-on-one, but usually in survival you don't have tea bags. So you can use plants, flowers, whatever you have right next to you wherever you are. We brought here some mint tea or some mint leaves from my garden, which is in Arabic nana, and nana, 1 tea bag, regular tap water, and of course a bit of sugar. Straight to the stove. We're also gonna make here some Moroccan bread, which is called frena because it goes in the faran, which is the oven. Very simple bread. Dough or flour, water, yeast, some salt, that's it, basic. The more you work it, the better it comes out. let it rest a bit. It's gonna sit for like 20 minutes. And meanwhile, the fire is ready, as you can see. Start with the barbecue because the fire is ready, and the bird is going to wait until all the fire comes down. There's only cold there. Hot cold. Here we have some chicken wings. We spiced earlier on with the paprika, cumin, a bit of turmeric, and we're going to add salt and pepper in the end. Of course, olive oil. Marinated for like half an hour. It's not too much, but it's still enough to give it the flavor. Of course, you're not gonna have all the tools necessary and everything when you're just stuck alone in the woods or something, or in a desert. ולא רק את האופים האלה. But we're doing half-half. You're gonna have to improvise when you're alone in the turf, and sometimes you can find nets like these ones, which people just left in the field. Just like you can find fishing hooks at the sea, fishing lines or baits. Ready for fire. Looks tasty, and it's gonna be tasty. Sure. As you can see, the wings are ready. Sausages on, which is a staple in Moroccan cuisine. Merguez beef sausages, spicy. Normally you would do it in the sand, because this is a Sahara bread, and you just move the coal, move some sand, put it inside the sand, cover it with coal and sand, and wait about 20 minutes. It's ready, and then you just clean off the sand and it's ready to eat. But because this is the woodlands, we're in the woods, no sand here, we're doing it like that. It will turn out just fine. Ready? Let's put it on the table and try it. enjoyed. See you next time. Thank you for watching. مرحبا بكم.